so I don't have any escape.
Well, was I?
Nope, he's not. He's a big baby. Right, up. There we go. Right, Jay, are you coming out? Have a listen. Right, are you coming? Come on. Come on. I know. Come and say hello. Right.
You need to be very quiet when you're playing.
Hello. What is going on? He spotted the spider. He's like, what was that?
Oh.
He said, look. He spotted it.
Oh my God.
No, guys.
That's so brave now.
His name is Joe. Joe is actually what we call an eagle owl. So he's an owl that's as big as an eagle. But don't worry, guys, because he's got a nice lead on. Okay. So don't worry, he can't go anywhere.
Why are you
Nice, guys.
me? Look at this, look at
Do you know what? Joe is only 2 years old. Or 2 and a bit actually. So we're 2.5 years old. Do you know what? I think owls are my most favourite birds in the whole world. Because they do some really, really cool things. Yeah, the birds are all the types of birds.
Excuse me.
Well, yeah, you see, they do some really crazy things. Okay, so when does an owl come out? Night, which is really odd because all the other birds come out during the day. Owls decided they'd rather come out at night. And they're very clever at finding their way around at night. What do you think he's looking for to eat at night?
A spider.
Nope.
A hedgehog.
Nope.
A mouse.
Mice and rats. And maybe even bunny rabbits because he's quite big. So, he's very clever at finding his food, guys. Owls have got a couple of very clever tricks. Just keep an eye on his head because he can do something really cool with his head. Look.
No.
Oh! Isn't that cool? Do you know what? If we did that, our heads would fall off. He can turn his head pretty much the whole way round in an entire circle, which is really, really cool.
Can I open his wing?
He's also got very big eyes. And see, at night time, we have to turn on the lights, don't we? We can't see anything. He doesn't need the lights. He doesn't need a torch. His eyes are so big that at night he can see brilliantly. He can see everything. He can see you all walking around in the dark. He's also got very, very brilliant, amazing hearing. His ears, these aren't actually his ears. They're just feathers to say, look at me, aren't I handsome? His ears are right in here beside his eyes. And they're huge. He says, oh, dinner. Oh my goodness. No. What are you guys? So, he's shouting at people. He says, what are you moving around? So he can hear the tiniest little sound. See, if he was in a massive big room, and he's up in one corner and there was a rat at the other side,
There's a rat here.
he can hear the mouse or rat's heart beating away in the corner of the room. His ears are amazing. Guys, he's also got extremely sharp claws. We call these talons when they're on a bird of prey. So he's got, like, you can see the size of those big claws, okay? Really, really sharp. His feet are so sharp. He can just grab hold of his dinner. Hello. But guys, and Isla's got one more really special thing. I think this is the best thing of all. And guys, I'm going to see if I can get him to flap his wings, okay? Don't worry, he's not going to fly off. He's just going to put his wings out like this, okay? We just see him, look. Whee! Okay, you see all these feathers? Owls have got the softest feathers of all the birds. Because when they're flying around at night, guys, owls fly so quietly that you can't hear them. They're what we call silent hunters. Because if he made lots of noise, what are all the mice and the rats and things going to do when they hear an owl coming? Exactly. So the owls have had to get really quiet. They can sneak around at night. Nobody even knows they're there. Do you know what? I bet lots of you have been out at night somewhere, maybe on a holiday or walking home from your friends at night. An owl is probably flown right over your head. You wouldn't even know it was there. So they're very, very special. Guys, I want you to feel, if you want to, you can have a pet and see how soft he is. And just on his back like that. I'm just saying, he's lovely and soft. Hey! What do you do that? Very cheeky. There you go. He's so soft. Do you want to try? No, that's okay. You guys want to try? Have a go. It's just everybody moving around. That's all he's missing at. But that's okay. Do you know, he's got a special lead on, so he can't go anywhere. Okay, don't worry.
I think he's hissing. I think he's hissing at this.
It could be. He's hissing because people are moving around. That's all. Guys, any of you guys want to try? No? relax.
He's actually
What are
gorgeous,
you
like,
doing?
it's right.
Who's that tickling my back?
So big.
That's lovely, Ashton.
I love it.
She's no fear at all. She's straight in.
We had a very
Yeah?
It's just,
Oh, right, okay. Yeah.